So the best text-to-speech 11 Lab just dropped their new model, which is called 11 V3, which is the most expressive text-to-speech model out there. So here's some demo.
Hey Jessica, have you tried the new 11 V3?
I just got it. The clarity is amazing. I can actually do whispers now. Like this.
Ooh, fancy. Check this out. I can do full Shakespeare now. To be or not to be, that is the question.
Nice. Though I'm more excited about the laugh upgrade. Listen to this.
That's so much better than our old robot chuckle.
I know, right? And apparently we can do accents now too. Fancy a cup of tea?
Wow, V2 me could never. I'm actually excited to have conversations now instead of just talking at people.
So yes, that was an AI text-to-speech. So this now supports more than 70 plus languages, and also you can add accents, and you can see you can add this text to create the voiceover more emotional and expressive. So you can come to the website and check out of their more example. So here's another demo.
Hey Chris,
On it.
knock knock.
I'm not doing this again.
Come on, man, please. I promise you'll love this one.
Nope. No. Never again. The last 10 weren't funny. The next 10 won't be funny. You're not funny. And you never will be.
How many 11Labs engineers does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Oh my God.
So I'm going to show you how to use this, and this is actually free. You can use this on your free trial. So I've also tested some generation here with the tagging motion. So let me show you first my result, then I'll show you how to use this.
You think you've won? Oh, how precious your hope is, like a candle in a storm.
But storms don't stop, little hero. They consume.
And now, it's your turn to drown.
So whenever you try to generate something, it gives you two generations. So this is the number 2 and this is the number 1.
You think you've won? Oh, how precious your hope is, like a candle in a storm. But storms don't stop, little hero. They consume. And now, it's your turn to drown.
Okay, so this is pretty cool. And also, if you want to multiple speaker, you can also add speaker here. So let me just show you how to do this from scratch. So first of all, you just need to come to your 11labs.io website, and you just have to make your account with a Gmail, and you just have to sign in. And after that, you just need to go to this text-to-speech option, click on text-to-speech, and after that, you'll find the model here. So I have already chosen the 11v3 alpha model. You can click there, and you'll find all the model. So just choose this 11v3 alpha, and here you can change the voiceover. So let me just clear all this, and you can choose what kind of voice that you want. You can also play that voice.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that...
Hello, I'm Jane. A great voice for any form of narration where you...
Hey, everybody. This is Juniper. I think I would be a great...
So let me just add a voice on my text. So I just click on that voice and click on this add to my voices, and you can see the Arabella voice is now on the here. So to make it more emotional, you just have to first put some tags. First, you just have to put this bracket option and close the bracket, and this will give you the text option. As you can see right now, I'm trying to a speaker which is angry. Then I just paste a dialogue here. The person is angry, and if you want to add any speaker, just click on add a speaker, and I want to change the voice here. Click on the voice, and now I'm going to choose a male voice, which is the James Susky. And as you can see, this is now the male voice. Now I'm going to put another emotion. I'm going to make him desperate. So make sure to put your tags in front of the sentences, because when you put a tag, this will include all the sentences of your emotion. If you want to create another emotion with the same voice, you just have to put another tag. So here's the example to put another text to change the emotion in the same sentence. So right now we got two speakers with the emotional text, and if I just click on generate speech, it will start to break my speech, and let's see how it come out.
You lied to me. Again.
I didn't have a choice. You wouldn't understand. I don't know what to do.
So the first generation, it didn't give me the angry expression, but the desperate and the sigh was correct. Let's see the second generation.
You lied to me. Again.
I didn't have a choice. You wouldn't understand. I don't know what to do.
The second generation is the perfect one. The first speaker is kind of angry, and the and desperate expression was much expressive. Sigh option was also pulled here.
You lied to me. Again.
So this is just a simple use case that I've shown you. That's how you want to use it. You can also add multiple speaker. Like if you want to add another one, you can just click add speaker and choose another speaker there and just start typing your dialogue. Now here's another generation that I made with different emotion. If I play it.
Hey, why don't skeletons fight each other?
Wait, what? I don't know.
Because they don't have the guts.
Wait, seriously? That's so bad it's good.
Told you it was a killer joke.
So this was the first generation, which a bit awkward in the burst out of laughing mode. So let's see the generation 2 here.
Hey, why don't skeletons fight each other?
Wait, what? I don't know.
Because they don't have the guts.
Wait, seriously? That's so bad it's good.
Told you it was a killer joke.
Now the generation 2 is more perfect here. And also you can add sound effects version here. So let me show you another one. So in this dialogue, I put some sound effect like gunshot and the person is scared something or middle of something. So let's see how it generates.
You hear that? The sky was supposed to be full of light and music tonight, not fire and screams. I promised her. I promised we'd dance under the stars, not run from them.
So this was the first generation. I put the gunshot here, but it's something like people are shouting. So the sound effects maybe not right. So let's see the generation 2.
You hear that? The sky was supposed to be full of light and music tonight, not fire and screams. I promised her. I promised we'd dance under the stars, not run from them.
So this time it just only add the gunshot from the first, but it didn't put the gunshot, the gunfire in the distance. Maybe you need to change your tag system or use it. Just go to this option. You can see, click here for best practices and they'll show you how to use that. So that's it guys. This is what I want to show you. This is free now. You can actually use the V3 model for free because you get 10,000 credit every month. I have 10,000 credit for free. If you create an account every month, you get 10,000 credit. Just put the ElevenLabs option and create a account with your Gmail. Test it out for yourselves. So if you found this video helpful, I always come up with the latest AI tutorial and AI news. Please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.